Upwork is a popular online platform that connects businesses and individuals with freelance professionals for various types of projects, including web development, graphic design, writing, translation, and virtual assistants. Upwork offers a streamlined process for businesses and individuals to find, hire, and manage freelance talent from around the world. Freelancers can create a profile, list their skills and work experience, and bid on projects that match their expertise. Clients can search for freelancers based on their skills, review their proposals, and hire the best match for their projects. Upwork provides various tools and features to facilitate communication and collaboration between clients and freelancers, such as messaging, time tracking, and payment processing. The platform also offers a dispute resolution system to help resolve any conflicts that may arise during a project. Overall, Upwork is a popular platform that makes it easier for businesses and individuals to find and work with talented freelance professionals from anywhere in the world. Go to the Upwork website at www.upwork.com. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page. Select the type of account you want to create, freelancer or client. Fill out the registration form with your name, email address, and password. Click on the Create My Account button. Once your profile is complete, you can start browsing Upwork jobs and applying to projects that match your skills and interests. Keep in mind that Upwork charges a fee on each project you complete, so make sure to review their fee structure before accepting any jobs. For more videos like these, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.